Good morning. Okay, so you see here, I have my cinnamon apple oats that I make pretty much every morning. I'm going to top it with half of banana. The rest of the apple, I use 3/4 of the apple, so it's just 1/4 of the apple left. And some blueberries for a little extra sweetness. I don't measure these, I just kind of put them in. I'd say it's like 1/8 of a cup, close to 1/4 of a cup of blueberries. And that is all I do. Yeah, I could add some protein, like an almond butter or a peanut butter, but I'm not a fan of those types of butters in my oatmeal. And as a substitute teacher, pretty much every school, I'd say, 99% of the schools are peanut free, so I don't like to eat any type of peanut butter before school in the morning. And I don't have any almond butter in hand. I might get some and try, just to add a little extra protein and the healthy fats into my diet. I could also sprinkle it with some almonds as well, but I don't feel like that. So this is my 3 Smart Point breakfast because it's just counting for the oats. I use water to make it in the microwave. I could use almond milk again to make it creamy, but I like it this way, so why mess with it? And I like the flavor of apples. I think I might get some raisins to make a cinnamon apple raisin oatmeal. But for now, this is it, and I just have it in my Hello Ray Dunn bowl. These bowls are the perfect size for my oatmeal, for my fruit in the morning. I just find them portioned really nicely. They're like the size of my hand, but they're not super big like my blue ones from Target, which I still love, by the way. So I'm going to eat this, and then I have to start getting ready because I could be working this morning, and I don't know. Though I do have to get the kids up for school. So I'm going to eat this, and I'm going to have a glass of water with it. I already had my coffee. So I'm going to try to film another What I Eat in a Day. So this would be day 3 on the Weight Watchers Freestyle program. So I hope you continue to watch. Okay, so I am working, and I wanted to give you a quick rundown on what I'm packing for lunch in case I don't get a chance to show you at school. 2 slices of the Ezekiel bread that I'm going to toast to make a sandwich. So that's 4 blueberries, raspberries, bananas, plain fat for Greek yogurt for 0, some spinach for the sandwich, cucumber and carrots for 0, 4 slices of honey ham for 1. There's a cheese in there for 1. So the sandwich will work out to be 5. I have mustard over there. The sandwich will be 5, the cheese will be 1, so that's 6. And then I have a tablespoon of roasted red pepper hummus for 1. So total is 7. I'm not sure if I'll use the hummus. I probably will with the veggies. They were a little plain yesterday with nothing. So this is a 7 Smart Points, 3 for breakfast. Recess will be a clementine and an apple, I think. So I'll take clementine and an apple. That in my lunch bag, and this is 7 plus 3 for breakfast, 10 so far today for April 4th. Hi everyone, so it's after school and I changed clothes really quickly. I'm in my workout gear and I'll be heading to the gym. The kids have activities today, both at 5 o'clock, so I have a quick 30-minute window where I can actually get a little bit of cardio done. So it is currently doing that outside. Yeah, yuck. So I can't go for a walk, so I'll have to walk in the treadmill. I might try to do a little bit of a run. But in any case, I am eating an apple before I go just to hold me over, and then I'll eat dinner when I get home afterwards. But I have no clue what dinner is tonight. I'm thinking just something simple, maybe a chicken salad. Yeah, but we'll just have to play it by ear. And I'm going to get the kids something to have before we head out the door, and I will check in later on. And for dinner, I am having this hearty chicken primo soup. It is 3 smart points for the whole can. Works out to be like a cup and a half. There it is, and I did have a quarter of Connor's pizza sub from Subway, which was 8 smart points. Anyway, could eat this. So I'm going to call it a night now. I'll probably have a tea, which if I do, I'll insert it at the end of this video. But I am done eating for the day. I ended the day with having 3 smart points left. Hold on, kitchen's a mess. Okay, Madeline, you want to say hello while I'm... Okay, so I'm ending the day, hold on, Maddie, with using 20 smart points. So now I have 40 weeklies, and I have 3 left. So I'm assuming these 3 will be carried over. Yesterday I had 36 and I carried 4 over today. So I am carrying 3 smart points over for tomorrow. And overall, I feel okay today. I'm feeling a lot bloated even though I'm drinking a lot of water. So I'm not sure what's up with that. But in any case, I want to thank you so much for stopping by and watching. If you like what I eat in a day, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please consider hitting the
red subscribe button down below
to join my YouTube family. Yeah, so other than that, I hope you have a wonderful day. And as always, take care. We'll see you soon. Bye.
Bye.